Hi dear children, I am Srinivasa from Sri Sai Sadbhavana School. In third standard division lesson, we have studied about the what is the divisor, dividend, quotient, remainder, how we will once again get the divisor and everything we have studied. Now we will move to the main division, that is exercise 5.2. In that they have given the problems. We will go one by one. First one they have given 99 divided by 3. Second one 72 divided by 12. Third one 9045 divided by 45. Fifth one 7050 divided by 235. I have chosen some examples from the textbook. First we will divide this problem. 99 divided by 3. You know very well, 3 ones are 3 threes are 9. 3 threes are 9. So subtract 9 minus 9, 0. Now you take down 9. 3 threes are 9. So you will get 0. 9 minus 9, 0. So that is the answer. Here this is the quotient. This is the remainder. What is the quotient here? 33. Remainder is 0. Quotient is 33. Remainder is 0. Next we will move to the next problem. 12. 72 divided by 12. I hope you know the 12 ones are, or otherwise I will repeat once again. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 sixes are 72. So 72 here. So 12 sixes are 72. Yes, what I have to do? Subtract minus 2 minus 2, 0, 7 minus 7, 0. Here also remainder 0, quotient is 6. 6 is the quotient. I hope you understand this one. Next we will move to the next problem. From 45, you divide 9045. From 45, you divide 9045. Here you need some working because we don't know the 45 table. So we will multiply here and then we will take here. Okay. So I will multiply here. First, you take 90. Sorry, you take 90 because first one is 45. This is less than 45. So you take 90. 45 into 2. 2 5 is 10, carry 1. 2 4 is 8 plus 1, 9. 45 2 is 90. 45 2 is 90. Subtract 0 minus 0, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. I will take down 4. It won't divide. 45 zeros are 0. You will get 4. Now take down 5. 45 ones are 45. So we will get 45. Subtract 45 minus 45, 0, 0. So this is the remainder is 0. Quotient is 201. Once again I will explain. 45 twos are 90. 45 twos are 90. 90 minus 90, 0. Take down 4. It won't divide. So 45 zeros are 0. 4 as it is. You take down once again 5. 45 ones are 45. 45 minus 45, 0. What is the answer? 201. Next we will move to the next problem. 7050 divided by 235. So from 235 you divide 7050. I will write here multiplication. So 235 into, how many times it will go? We will check 3 times. Check 3 times. 3 5s are 15, carry 1. 3 3s are 9 plus 1, 10, carry 1. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. Yes, 705 it will come. So 25 3s are 705. 5 minus 5, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 7 minus 7, 0. I will take here 1 0 is there. So 235 zeros are 0. You get 0. So answer is 30. Remainder is 0. Quotient is 30. Here in all this problems, remainder is 0, you get the different quotient. Okay, I hope you understand. This one we will move to the next main. We will move to the next main division. Here you will get the remainder, I think, let me see. By 6 you divide 548, grouping, because the first digits cannot be divided by, first digit cannot be divided by 6, so you group 54. So how many times it will go? 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 54, 6 9s are 54. You get? So subtract it. You subtract it. 54 minus 54, 4 minus 4 0, 5 minus 5 0. Now we take down 8. Take down 8. 6 1s are 6. Subtract 8 minus 6 2. So this is the remainder. 2 is the remainder. 91 is the quotient. Once again I will explain. 54 8 because 5 is lesser than the 6. So 6 9s are 54. Take down 8. 6 1s are 6. 8 minus 6 2. Remainder is 2. 91 is the quotient. You come to here, from 8 you divide 6489. Here also 6 is smaller than 8, so you group 64. So 8 8s are 64. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48, 8 7s are 56, 8 8s are 64. So 64, 4 minus 4, 0, 6 minus 6, 0. Now we take down 8, 8 1s are 8. Subtract, we get 0, 8 minus 8, 0. You take down 9, 8 1s are 8. You subtract 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 8, 1. So this is the quotient, this is the remainder. 1 is the remainder, 811 is the quotient. Next come to here, from 210 you divide 840. How many times it will go? I think 4 times. I will multiply here 210 into 4. 4 zeros are 0, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 840 you get. So this is 840. 210 4s are 840. 0, 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. 8 minus 8, 0. So what is the quotient here? Yes, 4 is the quotient, 0 is the remainder. 4 is the quotient, 0 is the remainder. Next come to 5776 divided by 19. From 19 you divide 5776. Yes, 19 3s are 19 3s are 19 1s are 19, 19 2s are 38, 19 3s are 57, 19 4s are 76. Okay, so 19 3s are 57. Subtract 7 minus 7 0, 5 minus 5 0. Take down 7, 19 zeros are 0, it won't cancel. 7 minus 0 7. Take down 6, 19 4s are 76. 76 minus 76 0 0. You get 304 as the quotient. This is the remainder. 304 is the quotient, 0 is the remainder. I hope you understand this main also. We will move to the next main. Next come to the third main. Here third main they have given 84 divided by 6, 1375 divided by 5, 6572 divided by 31, 8631 divided by 411. They need write the quotient in the given below. So we will divide from the 6, you divide 84. So first 8 6 ones are 6 minus 8 minus 6 2 4. 6 4s are 24. You subtract 0 0. So what is the answer? 14 is the answer. 84 divided by 6. 6 ones are 6. 8 minus 6 2. Take down 4 here. 6 4s are 24. 24 minus 24. You get 0. So what is the quotient here? Quotient is equal to 14. Quotient is equal to 14. Next come to here. 1375 divided by 5. From 5 you divide 1375. 5 2s are 10. Subtract 3 minus 0, 3, 1 minus 1, 0, take down 7, 5 7s are 35, you get 7 minus 5, 2, 3 minus 3, 0, take down 5, 5 5s are 25, minus 5 minus 5, 0, 2 minus 2, 0. So what is the quotient here? Quotient is equal to 275. Quotient is equal to 275. Next come to here. From 31 you divide 6572. So it is not possible to get the 31 table. So 31 into how many times? It will divide 2 times. If you group 65, 31 into 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So 2 times you will get 62. Subtract 5 minus 2, 3, 6 minus 6, 0. Take down 7, 31 ones are, because this is 31, 37, 31 ones are 31. So 7 minus 1, 6, 3 minus 3, 0. You will get when you subtraction. So now take down 2, 31, 2s are 62. So you will get 0, 0. When you subtract 2 minus 2, 0, 6 minus 6, 0. That is, you will get 0. What is the quotient here? Quotient is equal to 212. Quotient is equal to 212. Next come to the problem. 8631 divided by 411. So by 411 you divide 8631. So 2 times it will go. I will write here 411 into 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So 2s are 822. Subtract 3 minus 2 1, 6 minus 2 4, 0. Take down 1. So this is 411. So 1 is 411 minus 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, 4 minus 4 0. So what is the quotient here? Quotient is equal to 21. Remainder is 0 in all the cases. Remainder is 0 in all the problems. So I hope you understand. This main also. We will move to the next fourth main. Here in the fourth main, what they are asking is write the quotient as well as the remainder. Write the quotient as well as the remainder. So we will divide from 7. You divide 96. 7 ones are 7 minus 9 minus 7 2. Take down 6. Yes, 7 3s are 21. Because 7 4s are 28, it won't get subtract. So 21, 6 minus 1 5, 2 minus 2 0. So what is the quotient here? This is the quotient, this is the remainder. Quotient is 13, 5 is the remainder. I hope you understand. 7 1 is 7, 9 minus 7 2, 6 you take down, 7 3 is 21, 6 minus 1 5, 2 minus 2 0. This is the answer. From 9 you divide. 7863. So 70 is there. 9 8s are 72. minus 8 minus 2 6, 7 minus 7 0, you take down 6. How many times it will divide? 9 8 is 6 72, so 9 7 is 9 7 is 63 minus 6 minus 3 3 0. Now we take down 3 9 3 is or sorry, yes, 9 4 is 36, 9 3 is 21, sorry, 9 3 is 27, 9 3 is 27, 13 minus 7 6 0. See, once again I will explain. 9 8 is 72, 8 minus 2 6, 7 minus 7 0, take down 6, 9 7 is 63, 6 minus 3 3, 6 minus 6 0, take down 3, 9 3 is 27, 13 minus 7 6, 3 here this becomes 2 because we have taken the carry. 13 minus 7 6, 2 minus 2 0. This is the quotient 873 and the 6 is the remainder. 6 is the remainder. Now you come to here, from 17 ones are 679. Yes, 17 ones are 17 fours are. We will see here 17 into 4. 4 ones are 4 plus 2 6. It won't cancel. So 17 threes are. You will get more. So 3 sevens are 21. Carry 2. 3 ones are 3 plus 2 5. 17 threes are 51. So for this reason only we are saying learn the tables. If you learn the tables, we will directly say 17 threes are 51. So subtract 7 minus 1 6. 6 minus 5 1. Okay, you take down 9 here. So how many times it will go? 169. 9s are 17 9s are. So I will multiply here. If you don't know the 17 ones are 17 9s are 63. 9 7s are 63. Carry 6. 9 ones are 9 plus 6 1 5 15. That is 153. So 17 9s are 153. You will get 6. 9 minus 3 6. 6 minus 5 1 0. So this is the remainder and this is the quotient. So if this is 680, you will get 40 here because this is 16 only. Only one is less than for 17. So once again I will explain. 17 3s are 51. You will get 7 minus 1 6. 6 minus 5 1. So 16 here. Okay. Take down 9. 17 9s are 153. 17 9s are 153. 9 minus 3 6. 6 minus 5 1. So remainder is 16. Quotient is 39. Next we'll move to here. So from 64 you will divide 8415. 64 1s are 64 minus 0 2. 8 minus 6 2. 4 minus 4 0. Now you take down 1 here. You don't know 64 ones are. So from 64 you multiply. I think 3s are. 3 4s are 12, carry 1. 3 6 are 18 plus 1 19. You will get 192. So 64 3s are 192. Subtract 11 minus 2 9. 11 minus 2 9 because we are taking the carry from here. So this becomes 1. This becomes 9. This becomes 10. Sorry, 11 because already 1 is there. You take carry. 10 plus 1 11. 11 minus 2 9. This is 9. 9 minus 9 0. 9 minus 9 0. 1 minus 1 0. Okay. Now we take down 5. Take down 5. 64 1s are 64. So 5 minus 4 1. 9 minus 6 3. Once again I will explain. 64 1s are 64. You get 20 after subtracting 64 from 84. Take down 1. 64 3s are 192. Subtract 11 minus 2 9. 9 minus 9 0. 1 minus 1 0. Take down 5. 64 1s are 64. You get 31 as the quotient. Sorry, remainder. This is the quotient. 131 is the quotient. 31 is the remainder. I hope you understand this one. Next we'll move to the next main. Now fifth main. Divide the following and verify the answer. And verify the answer they have given. I will show how we can verify what the division we have done is right or wrong. I will show the problem. First you divide 56 by 7. How many times it will go? 7 8 is 56. 7 8 is 56. You subtract 6 minus 6 0. 5 minus 5 0. Here 0 is the remainder. Quotient is 8. So you know very well this is dividend, this is divisor, this is quotient and remainder. So to find the dividend, we have one formula, divisor, that is small d, divisor into quotient plus remainder. After multiplying only you have to add for this one. Before that don't add, multiply then add remainder. So what is the divisor here? 7, quotient 8 plus R 0. So D, what is the dividend? Dividend is 7 8 is 56. So the same one you got it here. So this is the formula. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend. If you do the next problem, you will understand. 35, 91. So you don't know the 35 are. So 35 2s are. 2 5s are 10. Carry 1. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. 35 2s are 70. Subtract. So 1 minus 0 1. 7 9 minus 7 2. So 21 is the remainder, 2 is the quotient. 2 is the quotient. So once again the same formula. So dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So what is the divisor here? 35 into quotient is 2 plus remainder is 21. 35 2s are 70 plus 21. That is equal to 91. Here you got the same answer. Okay, I hope you understand this one. Whether what we have done is right or wrong, we can check by this one. Okay, next come to here 24. You divide 987 from 24. Once again we need 24 ones are, 24 threes are, 3 4s are 12, carry 1, 3 to the 6 plus 1, 7, 72 it will come. So 24 4s are, I think, we check 24 4s are, 4 4s are 16, carry 1, 4 to the 8 plus 1, 9, yes, 24 4s are 96, subtract 27, take down 1, 8 minus 6 2, 9 minus 9 0, you will get 2. Once again you take down the 7, 24 1s are 24. Subtract 7 minus 4, 3, 2 minus 2, 0. So once again the same formula, D is equal to D into Q plus R. What is D here? 24 into Q, 41 plus R, 3. So you multiply 24 into 41. I will multiply here. 1 4s are 4, 1 2s are 2, 4 4s are 16, carry 1, 4 to the 8 plus 1, 9. So 4, 6 plus 2 8, 9, 984 plus 3. So 987. You got the same answer. I hope you understand. Come to here. 3681 divided by 12. 12 3s are 36. 0, 6 minus 6, 0, 3 minus 3, 0. You take down 8. It won't cancel. 12 zeros are 0. So subtract 8, 0. Take down 1. 12 6 are 72. 11 minus 2, 9, 0. So this is the remainder and this is the quotient. So divisor is equal to D into Q plus R. So what is D here? 12 into 306 plus R. We will multiply 12 into 306 here. 306 into 12 I will multiply. 12 6 are 72, 12 3 are 36. See here, 12 6 are 72 carry 7, 12 0 are 0 plus 7, 7 here only, 12 3 is 36, you get 3612. So 3612 plus what is the remainder here? 9. Yes, 12 plus 9. Sorry, 3 6 7 to here. 9 plus 2, here only I will add, if you have confusion, 9, 9 plus 2, 1 carry 1, 8, 6, 3, that is 3681. So the same answer you will get. We will go to next main, short division by in the short method. Now here they have given the short division method. We will do this one. You followed this one in the second standard itself. How many times it will divide? 8 8s are 64. 8 8s are 64. So remainder is 0. This is the quotient and this is the remainder. Quotient is 8. 0 is the remainder. 8 8s are 64. 64 minus 64 is 0. So you get quotient as the 8. Remainder as the 0. Next, 80 divided by 9. 9 8s are 72. 9 8s are 72. So 80 minus 72, you will get 8 here. So this is lesser than the 9. So this is the quotient and this is the remainder. From 17, you divide 531. 17 3s are 51. So 3s are 51, you get 21 here. 53 minus 51, you get 2. So 21 here. 17 1s are 17, you get 4. So 4 is a remainder. 17 31s are 500 and see 17 3s are 51, you get 2 here. So 21, 17 1s are 17, so 21 minus 17 is 4. This is the quotient, this is the remainder. Come to here from 11. 11 2s are 22. So you get 1, it won't divide, you put 0, you take 1, so 11 1s are 11, 0 is the quotient. This is the quotient, sorry, this is the remainder. 0 is the remainder, 201 is the quotient. Next, come to here, from 3, you divide, 3 1s are 3, 10 you get, 3 3s are 9, 13 you will get, 3 4s are 12, 17 you will get, 3 5s are 15, 2 you will get. Once again I will explain here, from 3, 3 1s are 3, so you subtract, 1 you will get, take down 0, okay, 3 3s are 9, 1 second 1 you get, take down 3, 3 4s are 12, 3 17, 3 5s are 15, 2. So this is the remainder, so this is the quotient. Here 1s are, here 3s are, here 4s are, here 5s are, 1345. I hope you understand. This one also will do 2 or 3 working problems, that is word problems. Coming to the word problems, here 180 pencils are there. The first problem. So there are Vaibhav has 180 pencils. He has to keep 15 in one pocket. Then total how many pockets he made by 180 pencils? So what we have to do? Divide 180 into 15 equal parts. That means divide 180 by 15. Divide 180 from 15. So 15 ones are 15. 8 minus 5, 3, 0. Take down 0. 15 twos are 30. Subtract 0 minus 0, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. So what is the total pockets he made? 12 pockets. 12 pockets of each 15 pencils. I hope you understand this one. 180 pencils are there. So in each pocket they have made 15 in one each pocket. So how many pockets they made? They made 12 pockets. Okay. Next come to here. 315 flowers are there. They make some flower bouquets or some vases. Have to keep the flowers in one vase. How many? 7 flowers in one vase. 7 flowers in one vase. Then how many they required? Number of vase they required is equal to, so 315 divided by 7. From 7 you divide 315. 7 fours are 28. Subtract 11. You take carry. This becomes 2. This becomes 11. 11 minus 8. 3. 2 minus 2. 0. Take down 5. 7 5s are 35. So subtract 5 minus 5, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. So you will get, you need 45 vases. You need 45 vases. Okay, come to here. Price of 55 story books is rupees 120. Then cost of 2 story books, how much? What is the cost of 2 story books? First you find the cost of one book. So cost of one book is equal to, cost of one book is equal to, how will find out? 120 divided by 5. 120 divided by 5. From 5 you divide. 5 2s are 10, 20, 2 minus 0, 0, 1 minus, 2 minus 0, 2, 1 minus 1, 0. Now take down 2, 5 4s are 20. Subtract 0 minus 0, 0, 2 minus 2, 0. So what is the cost of one book? 24 rupees. Cost of one book is equal to rupees 24. One book is equal to rupees 24. Then what is the cost of 2 books? Cost of 2 books is equal to rupees 24 into 2. That is equal to 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, rupees 48. That is the cost of 2 books. Once again I will explain. Price of 5 story books is equal to 120. That is cost or price, both are same. Therefore, cost of 2 story books, how much? First we will find out cost of one book, that is 120 divided by 5. You will get 5 2s are 10, 12 minus 10 you get a 2, 0 you take down, 5 4s are 20, 20 minus 20 is 0. That is cost of one book is equal to 24. Therefore, cost of 2 books is equal to 24 into 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, rupees 48. Okay, I hope you understand this division lesson. We will meet in the next class with new lesson. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.